Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot. So let's wrap up the 12 days of Christmas, and we are going to be doing days 10, 11, and 12. Today is the 12th. So I did get behind a little bit, and that was because of my crazy work schedule. We've gone to extended hours at work, and it's just hard to keep up. So by the time I get home at night, sometimes I'm just spent, and I just sit there and I veg out. So I didn't do day 10 and 11, and then like I said, we're going to do them all together. So what happened was Sunday, after I had posted day 9, I was actually off that day, and I hadn't been able to spend any time with my boyfriend in a little bit. So after I posted that, I went to his place and I stayed there Sunday into Monday, and then went to work. And then when I came home Monday, I was just spent, and then Tuesday I spent. Today's my day off, so I'm catching up. So let's go ahead. These are not going to be overly crazy because I am kind of running out of stuff in my stash. So it is definitely getting a little more difficult to do right now. So what I did was I found this cute little, this little moose, paper piecing. He's also a tear bear, so his head is a tear bear. So I have that. And then I have some paper, and then my dies I cut with Crealies. With this little guy here, this was in part of the paper. So I punched it out from another, and I want to pop that up. So I had to grab my pop dots. So what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to attach that, and I am using art glitter glue. Oops. And I'm going to go ahead and put this down. I can tell you I cannot wait for the holidays to be over because it is retail craziness. And if any of you have ever worked retail at the holiday time, you definitely know what I'm talking about. And then I want to just go ahead. So these two are the same. You can see that. And I just want to pop it up. So I thought it might look cute if it was popped up. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. Now, just want to line it up as perfectly as I can. I think that's pretty good right there. Because I really like stuff that has dimension to it. So I think that works. And I think I'm also going to pop him up. So let's go ahead and add some pop dots to him. And again, I am using the dies from Crealies, and if you happen to notice, I just recently, an hour or two ago, actually posted a new video of some Happy Mail I got from them. So I am really excited to come up with some new stuff that you'll be able to check out, that I'll be using those dies. And make sure that you check out that video and see what I got, because some stuff is pretty exciting. So let's go ahead and get this little guy stuck down. I'm just going to center him. And there he is. And I don't know if I want to add anything to his hand. I did grab some stickers from my stash. Let's see. Maybe this red sticker here. I'll go ahead and add that. It looks like he's holding a decoration. Cute. Alright, so there is day 10. And let's go ahead and move on to 11. So this one here is just some cute little gingerbread. I had these stickers and I kept coming across these when I was doing my tags, and I really wanted to do something with him. So when I was looking through my paper, I did find this cute little gingerbread paper in my stash. So we're going to go ahead and do a gingerbread tag. What did I do? Oh, darn. Okay, well, we're just going to go with it. We'll off-center it. So I actually cut the front and the back of the tag with the same die. Okay, so we just off-center it a little with the black just to get a little to show through. Oopsies. I don't want to stop the video and do it over, but and I already put this stuff on. So, oops. So anyway, we'll do that. And then we're going to go ahead and add some stickers. So if I off-centered that one, I'm just going to put this down to the bottom corner here. So I'll add that little gingerbread house. And let's see. We'll go ahead and put him right there. Just like that. And I feel that he actually needs to have maybe a photo sticker. Yeah, let's go ahead and add a place photo sticker. There we go. Cute. That right there. So they're all popped up. And let's go ahead and add the rest of these. I'm going to put these on the photo mat. So I think layering that sticker on that is kind of cute. And then, do we have room for this guy? Yep. We'll stick him right up here at the top. Cute. I like that one. Alrighty, so one more now. So when I was also going through my paper, I came across this plaid color, and that seems to be kind of trending now. So I wanted to go ahead and throw that on something. So then I found the cute Christmas tree, and I thought that might look pretty on here. So this is a Jolie sticker. Definitely from my stash. And I've had it a while because the sticky's not sticky no more. So let's see, what can we do? That's kind of pretty. Kind of gives it an almost a vintage feel. So let's go ahead and add that. Even the back of the sticker is yellow. So I've definitely had this a while. Put that there. And let's see, what else do we have? Kind of cute, but I'm not sure if I'm feeling like those are going to go with that. So let's see. That's kind of cute. The color matches, but I don't think that matches. And then I had these little shaker ones, which I thought were cute. Oh, that works. All right, found it. I like this one. It says Be Jolly, and it matches. Well, I'm not sure how sticky that is. So let's add some glue. So that's definitely pretty right there. do I want to add? Let's see. Let's go ahead and add this one, because this is kind of pretty. And there's another one. Go ahead and add this one. And I think that will be it. Let's get these out of the way. All right, so I think we did it. So we are definitely at day 10, 11, and 12. So we were only off 2 days. Let me get this stuff out of the way so I can show you better. Show you all the tags. So here we go. So let's see. There is a lot. Super cute. Let's see if I can even get them all in the picture. Probably not. No, they're not even going to fit in the picture. Let's see if I can back out. So definitely some cuteness here. And too far. Well, I guess not too far, but you can definitely see all the tags now. All right, so anyway, thank you for stopping by, and let me know which out of the 12 tags was your favorite. There you go. Yeah, let me know out of the 12 tags which one was your favorite tag that you liked. Let's see if I get, there we go, perfect. All right, anyway, tell me which tag was your favorite, and I hope you enjoyed my 12 days of Christmas tags. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you like it. Hit the subscribe button, and until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.